Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word stabilize. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After the earthquake, it took many months to stabilize the damaged buildings. Stabilize means to make something steady, secure, or balanced, especially after a period of instability or disruption, to restore normalcy. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.